With greetings and gratitude to all the lovely people across the world, I would like to welcome you today, where I would like to share my gratitude and learnings from the COVID experience in the month of April and May 21. I would not like to share the experience and relive the moments where myself and my family were affected, as it will not serve any purpose nor motivate others, but would definitely like to acknowledge with deep sense of gratitude, thanking all those who directly or indirectly helped us to come out of the situation. Also wishing and praying for early ending of the pandemic and that no one else has to experience the COVID-19 virus. I would like to give my gratitude, and the first name that comes to my mind is of my doctor friend, Dr. Piyush Parikh. Without his guidance, care, and support, it would not have been possible to face the situation. Second name is of a person who has always been there in my life during crisis, and he is none other than Mr. Vijay Patel and his family. I would like to thank my very next door neighbor and friend, Mr. Rajesh Ramani and his family, who supported in every matter, right from food to getting and arranging various things. Also another building friend, Mrs. Amrita Majithia and his husband, Amit. I am very lucky that my wife had a contact with Mrs. Sneha Verma from our Green Meadows Society, who provided tiffins both the times and still continues to do so as per our requirement and taste. I would like to thank Mr. Ajay Shigwan, my neighbor and office colleague, who supported in various ways, and also Mr. Milan Somoshi, who supported by doing activities at crucial times. I would like to acknowledge from Sancheti Hospital, where I was admitted for 8 days from 19th to 26th April, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, head admin, Dr. Anup Trivedi, Sister Geeta, and support staff like Mr. Kailash, Mr. Hari, and Mr. Rahul. I would like to acknowledge two friends I made in the hospital, Mr. Jayant Kanavia and Mr. Sashi Nair, both of whom who had very positive approach towards life and helped me to recover. I cannot forget the maturity shown by many friends who indirectly supported in many ways and helped me to recover. They are Mr. Pratap Parab, Mr. Bharat Sajdev, Mr. Kishore Sankhe, Mr. Jatin Parmar, my school teacher, Mr. Paul Fernandez, Mr. Sagar Japtap and his family, Mr. Satish Pawar and his family, Mr. Himanshu Thakkar, Mr. Sanjay Gondalekar, Mr. Ramesh Gadre, Kituben, Neelam, Pooja, and many other friends like them who were aware about my total situation and did not disturb me but only supported when needed. Actually, the list is endless, so please pardon me if I am unable to mention all the names due to time constraint. Once again, with deep sense of gratitude, I would like to thank all the people in my life whose best wishes and positive thoughts helped me and my family to come out of the difficult situation. Now, some of my learnings are: how important is the role of a doctor and his guidance and treatment? How important it is to get timely checked if there are any symptoms? How important it is to have a friend who could manage the checking of RT-PCR test and get report within 24 hours. How important it is to follow each and every instruction of your doctor and not act as per the information from WhatsApp University. How important it is to get timely CT scan done if advised by the doctor, and based on the report, further treatment can be decided by the doctor. Actually, let me confess, I had delayed by few days, and only when my doctor gave me the ultimatum that I got it done. Actually, based on this report, the very next day I was admitted to hospital, which was arranged by my doctor friend, and this was my biggest learning. How important it is to do regular breathing exercises, which helps to boost the oxygen level and body fitness. How important it is for one to remain positive even when the situation is not favorable. Situation is a cause, and what happens to us is the effect. Our ancient teaching tells us that one should create the effect that one wants, and the cause will follow. Though this may not make any sense to the intellectual mind, it is a subject of experiential living. How important it is to have gratitude towards each and every person, as every small help counts in the final recovery process. How important is the role of the frontline doctors, nurses, ward boys, and many support staff in the hospital who put their life in danger with total commitment. How much important and necessary it is to be away from social media platforms and unwarranted phone calls to remain positive in such situation. How much lucky a person should consider himself when he gets timely treatment and admission to hospital when needed. Last but not the least, my learnings on mindfulness and practice of the same helped me a lot during my recovery process. So friends, every person affected by COVID-19 will have different experience and different situation to face and different learnings. All that I have done is just listed few of my learnings if it can be of help to others. With this, I stop here, thanking you for your valuable time. See you again soon with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourself with necessary precautions and good diet to maintain good health both physically and emotionally.